Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. Your smartphone isn't on your nightstand. You don't panic. You don't even look for it because you no longer need it. Your AI assistant has already reviewed your calendar, replied to your most important messages, booked your meetings, ordered groceries, and suggested the fastest route to your first appointment. As you put on a pair of lightweight smart glasses, the information you need simply appears in front of you. No apps, no typing, no scrolling. It sounds like science fiction, but the biggest technology companies in the world are investing billions of dollars to make exactly this future a reality. Apple, Google, Meta, OpenAI, Microsoft. Every one of them believes artificial intelligence will fundamentally change the way humans interact with technology. And if they're right, the smartphone, the device that has defined our lives for nearly 2 decades, may be approaching the beginning of its end. Welcome to FutureLens, where we explore the technologies shaping tomorrow. Today we're asking a question that could redefine the future of personal technology. Will artificial intelligence replace your smartphone sooner than you think? To answer that question, we first need to understand how smartphones became the center of our digital lives. When Apple introduced the first iPhone in 2007, it didn't just launch a new product, it transformed the relationship between people and technology. Before smartphones, using the internet often meant sitting in front of a desktop computer. Communication, entertainment, shopping, navigation, photography, and work were all separate experiences. The smartphone brought everything together into a single device that fit in your pocket. Within just a few years, mobile apps changed the global economy. People started ordering food with a tap, booking flights in seconds, watching movies anywhere, paying with their phones, learning new skills, running businesses. Millions of jobs and entire industries were built around the mobile ecosystem. For many people today, the smartphone is the first thing they see in the morning and the last thing they put down before going to sleep. It has become our camera, wallet, office, television, map, shopping mall, gaming console, and personal assistant. But despite all its success, the smartphone has one fundamental limitation. Almost everything still depends on you. You open the app, you search, you compare options, you decide what to do next. The phone gives you tools, but you're still doing most of the work. And that's exactly where artificial intelligence changes the equation. Instead of waiting for commands, AI begins to understand context. Instead of asking you to switch between 10 different apps, it can combine information from multiple services into one intelligent response. Instead of helping you use your phone, AI may eventually replace many of the reasons you use a phone at all. Think about your average day. How many times do you unlock your phone to check the weather, reply to messages, search for information, book a restaurant, translate a sentence, navigate through traffic, manage your calendar? Most of these tasks don't require a screen. They require answers. And artificial intelligence is becoming remarkably good at delivering them instantly. This represents a much bigger shift than simply adding smarter software to existing devices. It changes the interface itself. For decades, humans have adapted to computers by learning apps, menus, and operating systems. Artificial intelligence reverses that relationship. Now, technology begins adapting to us. Instead of tapping icons, we speak naturally. Instead of searching, we ask. Instead of managing dozens of apps, we rely on a single intelligent assistant that understands our intentions. That's why many experts believe the next revolution won't be a better smartphone. It will be a world where the smartphone quietly fades into the background, while artificial intelligence becomes the primary way we interact with the digital world. The question is no longer whether AI will transform personal technology. It's already happening. The real question is this: if artificial intelligence becomes your personal interface to the digital world, what happens to the smartphone? So, what could actually replace the smartphone? Ironically, the answer may not be another device. It may be artificial intelligence itself. For decades, every major technological leap introduced a new piece of hardware. Desktop computers gave way to laptops. Laptops gave way to smartphones. But the next revolution may not revolve around a screen at all. Instead, it could revolve around an AI that follows you everywhere. Imagine asking your assistant to plan an entire vacation. It compares hundreds of flights, books the best hotel, reserves restaurants, checks the weather, adjusts your itinerary, and reminds you when it's time to leave. You never open a travel app. You never search for anything. You simply ask. This is the future many companies are racing towards. Instead of dozens of separate apps, you'll have one intelligent assistant capable of handling thousands of tasks. That assistant won't live inside a single application. It will connect to every service you already use: your calendar, your email, your bank, your smart home, your car, your health data. Rather than switching between apps, you'll simply have a conversation. The hardware itself may also begin to disappear into the background. Smart glasses could display navigation, translations, and notifications directly in front of your eyes. AI earbuds may answer questions, translate conversations in real time, and guide you through your day without ever looking at a screen. Wearable devices could monitor your health continuously and warn you about potential problems before you even notice symptoms. Instead of reaching into your pocket dozens of times a day, technology may simply become part of your environment. But every technological revolution creates both opportunities and risks. An AI assistant that understands your habits can save enormous amounts of time. It can reduce stress, help you make better decisions, and remove countless repetitive tasks from your daily life. At the same time, it may also know more about you than any technology ever has. Where you go, who you talk to, what you buy, what you watch, how you spend your money, even how you feel. If that information falls into the wrong hands, the consequences could be far more serious than losing a smartphone. Another challenge is dependence. The more capable AI becomes, the more we may rely on it. What happens if it makes a mistake? What happens if different AI systems give completely different advice? And perhaps the biggest question of all, who controls the intelligence that millions or even billions of people rely on every single day? These are questions that governments, technology companies, and society will need to answer over the next decade. Because this isn't simply about replacing a device, it's about redefining the relationship between humans and technology. Before we wrap up, we'd like to say a huge thank you to all of our FutureLens members. Your support helps us create more in-depth documentaries exploring artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and the future of our world. If you'd like to support the channel and unlock exclusive member perks, simply click the Join button below. Now let's return to the big question. Will smartphones disappear completely? Probably not. Desktop computers still exist, laptops still exist, even paper books continue to exist. New technologies rarely eliminate old ones overnight. Instead, they gradually change how often we use them. Smartphones may follow exactly the same path. They won't suddenly vanish, but they may no longer be the center of our digital lives. Instead, they could become powerful computers that stay quietly in our pockets, while artificial intelligence becomes the interface we interact with every day. The companies that understand this shift first may define the next generation of consumer technology. And the people who adapt early will be ready for a world where conversations replace apps, intelligence replaces interfaces, and technology becomes almost invisible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to FutureLens, and let us know in the comments, what do you think will replace the smartphone first? AI glasses, AI earbuds, or something we haven't even imagined yet? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey into the future.